Hey guys, and welcome to Boo's Kitchen. Today we are going to make sage soup. The first step is going to be mincing the vegetables. I'm going to start by chopping my onion into smaller chunks so it will be easier for my food chopper to mince it. You don't have to use a food chopper, I just prefer to do it this way. Once you are done mincing the onion, you're going to put it in a bowl and set it aside. Next, we are going to mince 1 stalk of celery and 25 sage leaves. Now that I'm done chopping the celery and sage, I'm going to add it to the bowl of onions and set it aside. Okay, now that the vegetables are minced, we are going to move to the stove. We are going to melt 2 tablespoons of the butter in a large pot over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted, we are now going to add the onion, celery, and sage, and we're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onion is softened, stirring frequently. Once that is all cooked, I'm going to stir in the flour. So there's 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to add about half of the flour first. I'm going to give that a good mix, and then after that's all mixed in, I'm going to add the other half of the flour. After that is all mixed in, continue cooking for 2 minutes. Now we are going to slowly add about 1/4 of the chicken stock and stir well. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to get the flour all the way mixed in. And then we are going to pour in the rest of the remaining stock, stirring to combine completely and bring just to a boil. Now we are going to start by making the rice. So I'm going to be using my Instant Pot for this. You can also just throw it in the soup, but I prefer using the Instant Pot. So we're going to do about 3/4 cup rice and 1 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Now we are going to start the mushrooms. We are going to melt the remaining butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the butter is all nice and melted, we're going to add 9 ounces of mushrooms. I do a little less than 9 ounces because I'm not the biggest fan of mushrooms, but you can add as much as your heart desires. And we're going to season with salt and pepper and cook it for about 8 minutes, stirring semi-often until golden brown. Once the mushrooms and the rice are done, we are going to add it to the soup. Make sure to give it a good stir after you add both the rice and mushrooms. And then we're going to add in the half and half. So we're going to do about 3/4 cup of half and half and give it a good stir. We are going to continue simmering it for about 10 minutes until heated through. Last but not least, serve with Parmesan and your favorite bread. Have a good day, everyone.